Before I came into Allmand Law Firm and talked with one of the attorneys here, I was afraid. I was afraid we were going to lose our house. I was afraid creditors are calling and saying all these crazy things, and you don't know if what they're telling you is correct or not. Also, I was embarrassed to think that I had to file bankruptcy. But I've discovered that it's a legal relief. And I had an accident 5 years ago, and quite a few other things have occurred along the way. My husband is very ill. None of that was planned. So we have debts that we can't pay, and I'm sorry, but I don't want to sleep on the street. So we've got to work it out somehow. So we filed Chapter 13 bankruptcy. The attorney here at Allmand Law Firm has been most helpful, has given us alternatives for things that we can do to keep our house, things that we can do to, we had a class that went through a lot of helpful things about how to manage ongoing, and kind of went through everything we needed to know about what was going to happen in the process. And everyone I've ever talked to here at Allmand has just been great. They've been very helpful. The reason that I would say if someone's having financial issues to the point that they're maybe thinking about bankruptcy, don't wait. Go see an attorney and talk to them, because the only thing that happens is you get more and more harassing phone calls, you get a little bit deeper in debt, you get a little bit more of I don't know what's going to happen to me, and the longer you put it off, the worse that is. And all that's fear-based. I know, because I've been there. But the longer you put it off, the longer you'll be in that fear, and there are valid solutions. So it's, in this day and age, it is not embarrassing to say, I cannot afford to pay all my bills. Nothing I ever did was reckless, nor was my husband reckless. It just, circumstances put us in the position that we had to do something, and so we filed Chapter 13 bankruptcy. And the fear has gone away.